Hello, Jules. For this video, you'll just see me show you 3 ways to wear this unit. The unit came with a middle part, straight down, blunt bob cut, very nice. I wore it in about maybe 1 or 2 videos. So I've worn this wig, washed it about 3 or 4 times, and it still feels amazing. I washed it, put it right up, and did some flips, little bang and a ponytail. And I'm going to show you 2 more styles to get the most out of your wig. You don't have to always just wear it in the style that you see advertised on the website. So stay tuned, 2 more looks to go. This unit is from Myfirstwig. And I'll have the details below of what length, texture, all the details about the unit down below. So here, right here. This style I decided to do a little swoop over. You get to see the little highlights. I did not want to swoop baby hair because that's genuinely what we always do. I decided to let it stay natural because it looks more natural. And just do a little swoop over. That just stays there. But yeah, I like it. It is definitely quick. I literally took the ponytail out, straightened and combed the hair over, and just bended a little bit and brushed under. I didn't really do much to it, trust me. It still has body, like it still has all of that. It didn't lose any of that. I love this. And I still have like 2 more styles to go. Well, I already did a middle part before, straight down, bent under. I'm going to do a wavy look. You guys are going to love it. You don't always have to wear the style that is advertised for the wig. This is the whole point of this video, to show you how natural this wig can look in all different hairstyles, and you do not have to be a professional at it at all. I almost feel like the messier it is, like not perfect, the better it looks. Look at that. You see that? Like it looks so good. So good. Look at that. So just put your hands through it, let it fall back. Hello, I'm back. So this look, I just basically used the wand curler and just gave myself like a loose little wave, nothing special. Just wanted to highlight these highlights and just give it a different look. I'm really not a middle part girl, but I do like this wig in the middle part. But because I've actually shown 2 videos or maybe even pictures with the middle part, I thought it was just better to give you guys different looks without showing one I've already done twice. So again, I just took my wand. I did move the part over a little more. I didn't really have a part the first time. It was just swooped over behind the ear. Yeah, I don't like that much. You see this, do it a little bit, a little curl here. Yeah, simple. I just know I didn't take sections. I just did it. You can tell in the back. And still, we have body. Body is just here, okay? I am living for it, okay? So, you guys comment down below. Let me know what you think. Is it a style that you would try? Do you want to see me try any other styles? Yeah, please let me know your opinions.